Why is rendering too slow inside Premiere Pro 2020? So if you go to File, Export and Media and you want to render your video, export it, then you select a codec and here on the Video tab, go down to Bitrate settings and check this one. It says quality. If it's set to highest, then of course it is very slow. It even says that it's the slowest one. So this one is highly influencing the speed of the rendering. You can leave the same numbers but use a lower value, let's say good. Okay, so check this quality here at bitrate on the video tab and set it to, let's say, good. And that will significantly decrease the rendering time inside Premiere Pro 2020. Now you can export the video.